Good morning. So on Thursday, we're looking at the Pythagorean theorem. Let's remind you, a right triangle, CAB, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Okay, an important application of this is finding distances. Finding distance between two points. And this is useful, for example, if you are flying from A to B. How far do you fly? And sometimes if we are wanting to locate a new building, we might need to find some distances. And you'll practice this a little bit later. So let's look at an example. Suppose we had 3, 4. So from this point, and suppose we're going to the point 6, 8, and we are flying. So we want to know what is the straight line distance from here to here. Okay, so let's call that D. And what is D going to be? Well, one way you could do this is to measure it using a ruler, but we're going to calculate. And how do we do this? This is very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a right angle triangle. And what is this distance here? Well, the x-coordinate here is 6, the x-coordinate here is 3, so that means this distance is going to be 3 units. The y-coordinate is 8, the y-coordinate is 4, so that distance is going to be 4 units. And now we can just use Pythagoras' theorem. D squared is going to be 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 25. So obviously D is going to be 5. So here we're just applying Pythagoras' theorem to finding distance between 2 points. Okay, how can we extend this? Let's extend this idea to what's called the distance formula. And basically the distance from 2 points, x1, x2, to y1, y2 is going to be the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And this is what's called the distance formula. So you basically just take the difference in the x's and the difference in the y's. And we saw an example of that in the last example, the last slide.